This video is only for information and education purpose. Hi guys, welcome back another video. My dear friends, if you want to cancel your Air Canada ticket, then how you can cancel your Air Canada flight ticket. So all step you can see on your screen. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, this is a note from their company, by the company, like if you want to cancel your flight within 24 hours of purchase, you will receive a full refund, okay, to their original payment. Okay, and if you late, like if you going to cancel your ticket after 24 hours, your refund eligibility will depends on what type of fare you have used, or you can say which type of fare you have like booked. Okay, so for any kind of questions related to fare type and all, so because they have a very big policy, so you need to contact with their customer support team, and they will guide you according to your ticket. They will ask you some information related to your ticket, and they will check like which type of fare you are using and all, and they will check the policy and all, and they can cancel your, you can say, ticket very easily. So this is the number you can see on your screen. So this is the number, you need to call on this number, and once you get connected, you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your flight, and they will cancel your flight very easily. Okay, my dear friends, so if this video will helpful, please hit a like button, and if you have any kind of experience with this kind of service, then you can make a comment. Your comment will helpful for lots of people. And thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.